14. Solve equations 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 36. Equation 1. 1 by x plus 3 by y minus 1 by z is equal to 28. Equation 2. 1 by x plus 1 by 3y plus 1 by 2z is equal to 20. Equation 3. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we have 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 32. Equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 2, we have 8 by 3y minus 3 by 2z is equal to 8. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 5 by 1, we have 3 by x plus 3 by 3y plus 3 by 2z is equal to 60, and 8 by 3y minus 3 by 2z is equal to 8. Adding 3 by x plus 11 by 3y is equal to 68. Equation 6. Multiplying equation 4 by 3 and equation 6 by 1, we have 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 96, and 3 by x plus 11 by 3y is equal to 68. Subtracting 7 by 3y is equal to 28, or y is equal to 7 by 3 into 28 is equal to 1 by 12. Putting the value of y in equation 4, we have 1 by x plus 24 is equal to 32, or 1 by x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 1 by 8. Again, putting the value of x and y in equation 1, we have 8 plus 12 plus 1 by z is equal to 36, or 20 plus 1 by z is equal to 36, or 1 by z is equal to 36 minus 20 is equal to 16, or z is equal to 1 by 16. So x is equal to 1 by 8, y is equal to 1 by 12, and z is equal to 1 by 16. Answer.